Hi, this is Kim and welcome to the Beauty Biz. This week we are talking about Beachbody Ready, and I'm talking about the skincare spa kind of Beachbody Ready that pertains to body scrubs today. We are working with Beauticontrol's Spa Deluxe Thermal Body Scrub, and it is wonderful. It has three main benefits, as does any scrub treatment that we do, and that is to exfoliate, which removes the dead skin cells, the thermal properties, when it's heated up, relaxes your muscles, and that's why Carrie stands. So we're going to concentrate on her calves. Today I've moistened her legs with a little bit of warm water that allows the product to glide more smoothly. And the heat not only exfoliates the dead skin cells, it helps rev up the blood circulation. That is what is rejuvenating. And what's wonderful about the Spa Deluxe products, they not only do the treatment they're designed for, but they're all extra moisturizing. And ladies, after the dead of winter and very dry skin, these products are amazing. That's why all week we'll be talking about the Beachbody. Now, after this, we have the body scrub. We will be coming back in the next segment to rinse off the body scrub. Thanks. Stay tuned for step 2. Okay, we have scrubbed and removed all the dead skin. The second step is to take a moist towel. Of course, if we were in our shower, we would just be in our shower at home. But for the sake of Carrie's spa treatment today, we are going to gently rub it with a warm cloth to remove the scrub. Now, we have prepped the skin for the third step, and that is moisturizing. So we are taking our Spa Deluxe body cream, and ladies, if you love coconut and jojoba oil and the smell, this is one of the best smelling lotions. And Beauticontrol Spa Deluxe is one of my favorite lines ever from any spa or skincare company. Does that feel good, Carrie?
Yes.
Very good. And also, we're going to be making video about the bath oil, and we're going to talk about how to have a spa bath. That's just a hint about what's coming up. If you guys have any questions, just log on to the website at kimsbeautybiz.com. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and comment below. And give me some ideas for content, things you guys might want to see. Till next time. Bye.